Have you ever wondered exactly what makes a Swedish fish so perfectly chewy? Today, we are diving deep into the chemistry behind this iconic nautical candy. Swedish Fish is one of the most iconic candies in the world, offering a nostalgic experience that feels like a trip to Sweden's coastal waters. The secret lies in gelatin, a protein derived from collagen that creates a gelatin that creates a distinct elastic network within the candy matrix. This specific protein binds water molecules tightly, creating a firm yet bouncy structure that resists melting while maintaining its signature chew. Unlike fruit gummies made with pectin or agar, gelatin provides a unique mouthfeel that offers a satisfying resistance when you bite down. The neon red color and fish shape pay homage to Sweden's fishing industry, turning a simple snack into a cultural souvenir. So, the perfect chew is actually a precise balance of protein chains and water that has stood the test of time for generations. Now that you know the science behind the stretch, what other candy mysteries should we explore next? Let us know in the comments below.